If your home needs one reacher that won't feel flimsy by Tuesday, here's the best grabber tool setup. 2 reachers, no filler. Quick answer, Ezpik Pro Foldable Grabber is the default because it's sturdy and compact, while Vive Health Folding Reacher Grabber is the softer trigger pick. No grabber nails every job. Choose by grip, trigger feel, folding, and hand fit. For most homes, I'd start with the Ezpik Pro Foldable Grabber. Buy it if you want one reacher for laundry, high shelves, dropped remotes, and quick tidying without treating it like a fragile gadget. The appeal is balance, the claw feels secure, the head rotates, the body folds, and the shaft has enough backbone for normal home jobs. The catch is hand effort. Its trigger asks more from you than the lighter option, and the folding latch can feel stubborn. Some claws may also squeak. Skip it if easy squeezing matters more than all-around control. If trigger pressure is the thing that ruins grabbers for you, go Vive Health Folding Reacher Grabber. It's the better fit for light pickups, small bits of trash, and everyday items where a gentler squeeze matters more than extra features. It also folds easily, which helps if it lives in a closet, car, or beside a chair. But the comfort is more specific. The trigger may fit only 2 or 3 fingers, the reach to it can feel long for smaller hands, and the head adjustment isn't as smooth. Skip it if you want magnetic tips or a full-hand trigger. Quick split. Most homes should choose Ezpik Pro for the firmer, more complete reacher. Choose Vive Health if the lighter-feeling trigger is the whole point, and you're mainly grabbing smaller everyday items. Before you buy, picture the real job, floor pickups, high shelves, laundry, or trash. Then check trigger reach, storage space, folding latch style, and whether magnets actually matter for your routine. So if you're unsure, start with Ezpik Pro, it's the safer one grabber setup. Go Vive Health if a softer squeeze matters more than magnets, head feel, or full hand grip. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.